All right, let's look at predicting products for a double replacement reaction where a solid or a precipitate forms. Now, I'm going to work two problems from your handout, and I'm going to be using the solubility rules. So, get out the handout, the one with the double replacement reactions, formation of a precipitate, your solubility rules. This way we can go through this together and you can have this example to listen to as many times as you need to. So for number one, we have silver nitrate and potassium chromate. These are our reactants. So we got to figure out what our products are and then figure out if one of those products is a solid. All right, so silver nitrate, the formula is AgNO3. And your reactants are all aqueous unless otherwise noted. And potassium chromate is K2CrO4. Okay, so this is a regular double replacement reaction. Silver is going to connect with chromate. Potassium is going to connect with nitrate. And this is what we get. I'm going to write it down here because of space. We get KNO3 and we get Ag2CrO4. So then I need to come here to my solubility rules, and I'm going to look for my nitrate. And I find my nitrate, give me a second, I lost it earlier, right here. Okay, nitrates are soluble. So it means anything connected with that nitrate is also soluble. So it's going to be AQ. And then chromates at the bottom, that's number 9. Chromates are insoluble unless it's connected to ammonium, anything from group 1A, and then these two elements from group 2A. Silver is a transition metal. It's not from any of those groups, so that is my solid. All right, last little thing that needs to be done, balancing of the equation. 2, 1, put a 2 right there. All right, and then put a 2 here. And then I have 2 Ags, 2 NO3s, and 2 Ks. My equation is balanced. All right, excuse me. My next example, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. And cobalt 2 sulfate is COSO4. Okay, because it is a double replacement reaction, cobalt is going to connect to the chloride, and ammonium is going to connect to the sulfate. So ammonium sulfate, I don't think well, we'll see. NH4 2SO4. And then we have cobalt 2 chloride, COCl2. All right, let's see if anything is a precipitate. So I go back to my sheet and I see that sulfates are soluble except when they're connected to these elements here, calcium, strontium, barium, mercury 1, mercury 2, lead 2, and silver. And that's not any of these. So sulfate is AQ. Okay. And then I look for my chloride. It says all chlorides are soluble except silver chloride, mercury 1, lead 2. That is cobalt. That doesn't count. So guess what? In this reaction here, they are both aqueous. All right? So let's continue working.